sunrise tomorrow is at 6:09 a.m. This is a public information statement from the National Weather Service in Binghamton. Floods can be deadly. Floods are the #1 killer in the United States among storm-related natural hazards. The main cause of death during floods comes from automobiles being swept away by flood waters. Many people die in floods because they try to cross flooded roadways. Turn around, don't drown. What types of floods are there? Floods which occur on small streams and creeks when heavy rain falls in a short period of time are known as flash floods. They are the deadliest of all floods and are the most difficult to forecast. Warning times can be very short. Flooding also occurs on our larger rivers and streams. What does a flood watch mean? A flood watch means there is potential for flooding to occur. This does not mean that flooding is occurring. A watch is typically issued for several counties at a time and ideally is issued 12 to 36 hours before flooding is expected. This way you will have enough time to prepare. If you live or work in an area which is prone to flooding, what do? Have an evacuation route mapped out and ready to go if flooding occurs. Make sure everyone in your home or office knows where to go quickly if flooding occurs. Have a battery-operated radio and flashlights available. Take precautions to secure your property. If you have to evacuate, and if you have time, turn off the gas and electricity to your home. What does a flash flood warning or emergency mean? A flash flood warning means a rapid, life-threatening flood is occurring or will soon begin. You need to take action immediately to protect your life and property if you are in the danger area. A flash flood emergency is issued only during the most impactful and dangerous cases of flash flooding and is typically an indicator severe or widespread flash flooding is expected or ongoing. What you should do when a flash flood warning or emergency is issued. Move to higher ground immediately and get out of the danger area. Never drive across bridges covered with water or through areas where water covers the roadway. If your car stalls in a flooded or low-lying area, abandon it immediately. Rapidly rising flood waters could easily sweep it away. Water is extremely powerful. Be especially careful at night when it is harder to see flooded areas. What does a river flood warning mean? A river flood warning means that river levels will exceed flood stage at certain points along large rivers. River floods take longer to develop, so they may not pose as much threat to life, but can take a much larger toll on property. What you do when a river flood warning is issued? If you live in a floodplain, be prepared to evacuate if ordered to do so. Make sure you have all necessary items that you would need in the event that you cannot return home for several days. Make arrangements to protect your property by moving your valuables to higher ground or an upper level of your home. Weather topics for the remainder of the week will be as follows. Thursday, April 25th, severe weather terms and definitions. Friday, April 26th, severe weather preparedness and safety. For more information on weather hazards and Severe Weather Awareness Week, please visit http://www.weather.gov/ BGM all lowercase http://www.weather.gov/ CTP/. Several rain this week. Here is the National Weather.